Hey, welcome back to Carol Seal Action Plan. I have a Boxyluxe unboxing to do with you all, and then also I just got a new bundle, eyeshadow bundle from the Collective Cosmetics. I have several things by them, and I love their shit. I'm wearing their eyeshadow right now from the Manufactured Bloom bundle that I had reviewed a while ago. This one is the Werewolves in London bundle. And so one of the owners' name is Joe. He recently had his birthday. He lives in England, hence the London thing. So these are greens kind of. So I'll swatch them for you. I'll probably say the names wrong. Oh, Loon is the first one, so let's see what that looks like. This is a lavender with the teal shift. Let me get that on my... I know it's on my tattoo. Let me put it on a part that's not on my tattoo. Right there. And then next is going to be Lycanthrope, a Bordeaux with a lime green shift. I'm wiping this off real quick. Bordeaux with a lime green shift. I hope I got these right. Do that right here. Well, that's cool. I love these shifty eyeshadows. They're shiftier than Jaclyn Hill. Next one is I can't even say it. Noctis Ambrosiane, I can't say it. A sparkly hunter green with blue eye safe sparkles. Ooh, that's cool. And then last is going to be Howl, a deep emerald foil. Oh wow, that is really, really cool. I might have got the last two backwards, but I think this, I love them though. I think it'll be fun to wear. So again, so the bundle's $26, otherwise they're $8 a piece, and also they have rewards points on this brand, and so I earned a it's called Nicholas. It's a lip or eye. You can wear their lip lacquers on your eyes too. I haven't tried it yet, but I want to. I'll have to figure something out. I'm not experienced with the lacquers. Okay, let me. It's kind of a brown. Reminds me of it's a little bit reminiscent of shade Urban Decay. 1993 or something, 92. I used to wear it all the time, so there's that. And I'll leave a link down below to their website, and I really like them, and they get a lot of shit from people who are like freaked out about their symbol for their brand, so people need to get over it. I'm looking at how I'm wearing Pat McGrath Cyber Orchid lipstick today. Look. No mites, no mold. Just had to throw that out there. Also, I have a lot of stuff to talk about because it's been a while. This is my current favorite cookbook. It's Cook Once, Eat All Week. We've been using it for about 3 weeks, and basically whatever week you have, you pick three main ingredients, and then you prep everything on one day, and then you can cook 3 different recipes out of it for the week. And I found it really awesome. The food is great. Like the first week I tried was shredded chicken, broccoli, and rice. See, like that. And then out of that I made, so prep day, you get everything, cook it up and put it in a different containers so you can just grab and go when you're ready to make the actual recipes. So and I'm not sponsored, by the way. I just really like to share good, awesome shit with you guys. The first recipe I made was barbecue chicken and rice casserole. So I basically made broccoli rice and regular rice. And the next one was the white chicken chili, which was awesome. And all these recipes have been Mark approved. And the last one was chicken and broccoli fried rice. So that was the first week we did, and so this next week I think that I let Mark choose the I let him choose a lot of things, don't I? I let him choose the stuff for the week. So this next week we're gonna do pork shoulder, Brussels sprouts, and sweet potatoes. So that'll be fun. I like all three of those, and we're good. Now on to the Boxyluxe. I'm deciding if I want to keep Boxyluxe or not. I don't know, because Hank and Henry, who I have a couple of his eyeshadow sets from him, is having a bi-monthly subscription box for $37 for the bi-monthly. Okay, opening it up the thing. See what we got. So the theme this time is getaway. I'm not getting away anywhere until my cruise next January. Well, I'm going to Orlando in October for work, but I'll have free time. If anyone's in the area, I'll have free time in the evening. So the first thing is Dr. Brandt Clean Biotic. Can you see that? No. Okay. It says that this is pH balanced yogurt cleanser with chlorophyll, and this is a $35 value. So that right there is like half of what the box cost me. This looks dirty though. Let me see. Is it even sealed? Does it smell like anything? Oh good, it's sealed. I was about to freak out because it was dirty. Oh, excuse my double chin. Someday I'll work on it. And then what's this one? This is Skin & Co. Radiant Dew. And this is worth $35 as well. So I've already covered the whole cost of the box, and that's only two things. This is a Truffle Therapy Radiant Dew. It's refreshing mist. I like to be refreshed once in a while. Sorry, it's hot as balls around here right now. And this is the PYT Mini Turbo On The Go. It's a little hair dryer. I don't have that much hair, but I guess I could use it to what the hell was that? What the hell was that? To dry my makeup brushes when I wash them. I might use it for hair. It comes in a little thing, and this $85. No shit. Oh, it's a cute little pink. I'm dropping everything everywhere. Well, that's pretty amazing. $85. And it's pink. Okay, what's next? Next is going to be... Next will be... This is Living Proof Full Volume Dry Volume Blast. I don't have that much hair, but maybe I can zhuzh it up a little bit. This retails for $29. It's pretty good. You know, I like the box, but I'm kind of, I don't know. This is Tristique, what is it? What is it? Oh, Good Vibes Mascara. That's quite a container for the mascara, but I can live with that. Oh, it's an all-in-one lash curler tool, lash enhancing mascara that gives you everything you need to keep your lashes to the next level. I don't have that much lashes, but we'll see how it goes. That is worth $25. Here's some Pharmacy Honeymoon Glow AHA Resurfacing Night Serum. God knows I need that. This is retails for, where is it? Where is it? Oh, $58. Holy shit. So I've fully gotten my values worth out of this box. This kind of, so usually if I don't like something, I will just give it away. But they got some decent skincare stuff. So I'm cool. And here is some Touch and Soul Prime Essence, no problem. And this is a Candula. I can't even talk to you. I'm tired. Been up since 3 people. So this is retails for $23. This is I do like the Luxe boxes. I just wish, I don't know, I'll see. I might give this away. This is a Tarte Pro Glow 3. This retails for $45. Oh, maybe I'll keep it. It's a blush, highlighter, and bronzer shades for sculpted dimensional look. So I guess the packaging is pretty cool. It's got the little mirror in there. I'm on the fence, but I'm not mad at it. I would rather have eyeshadow because that's just how I roll. Like I need more of it all the time. And the last thing is Collective Cosmetics Lemonade Lip Gloss. So the Tarte thing retails for $45, and this Collective Cosmetics Lemonade Lip Gloss retails for, it's a cute little color. I think glosses are in right now, but I'm still a fan of the mattes, of the liquid lips, so it doesn't come off. So let's swatch this real quick. It's like a cute little neutral look. It smells interesting. Not bad. I guess maybe I should swatch the Pro Glow thing. Because half the time I've not been wearing foundation so much, so I haven't been really doing a lot of contour, except for like when I do gray. Because that's, okay. See, the only thing about bronzers and stuff, they just look orangey to me, and I don't want to be orange. I'm okay with my pasty whiteness. I'm not that invested in swatching it. I'm so sorry. So anyways, that's what I got going on right now, and thank you so much for watching. Oh yeah, I was gonna add up what the total, what was the total value of this box. The Luxes usually have a really good value, so let's see. 45 plus 23 plus so this, the retail value of all the items in this box is $352, and I basically paid $49 total. So that's a good deal. You know, if I use even just half of the items, and you know, then I'm cool, and I just end up giving stuff away or selling it off to my coworkers or something. So that's all I have for today. Thank you for watching, and I'll put the information down below for the Collective Cosmetics. If you're interested in getting stuff from them, I highly recommend them. This has been on all day. So this is the colors from the Manufacture Bloom bundles, and the colors on this are let me get to it. I think they still have the bundles. Well, on my lid is one called Fly Fly Fly, and I believe, oh my god, how come I can't do this right? Fly 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 and Existential Crisis is the one in my crease. So, and the Pat McGrath lipstick I'm wearing, the color is Cyber Orchid. And so thanks again for watching. I have to do dishes now. And I'll see you guys soon. Have a great day, and hopefully you'll subscribe and stick around a while with me. I'm just trying to build my little channel here. Have a good one.